Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful vegetable corn soup. First, select the freshest ingredients available, like crisp carrots, tender celery, and sweet corn kernels. Proper preparation is key, so chop your vegetables evenly to ensure they cook uniformly. You'll need a sturdy pot, at least 4 quarts, to accommodate all the wonderful flavors as they meld together. This simple approach guarantees a rich and satisfying meal every time. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pot over medium heat. Add finely diced onions and minced garlic, sautéing until they become wonderfully fragrant, about 2 minutes. Next, introduce your chopped carrots and celery, cooking them for approximately 5 minutes until they soften slightly. Pour in 4 cups of quality vegetable broth, then bring everything to a gentle boil, preparing for the next step. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover your pot, and let the soup simmer for about 15 minutes. This allows all the wonderful vegetable flavors to fully develop and combine beautifully. In the final 5 minutes of simmering, stir in 2 cups of sweet corn kernels, whether fresh or frozen. Finish by seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Your delicious vegetable corn soup is now ready. Before serving, add a sprinkle of fresh parsley or cilantro for a burst of color and extra freshness. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and enjoy it immediately, perhaps with a side of warm, crusty bread for dipping. It's truly a comforting and wholesome dish. Also, for other great deals, and to find out more about those amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.